Changing payment method on Google Pay is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Play Store, then click on your account icon from the top right corner. After that, click to manage your Google account, go into payments and subscriptions. From here tap on payment methods, click to verify your account, then enter your account password and tap on next. If you don't remember the password of that account, go back to the Play Store and click on your account icon, tap to view all of your Google accounts. This time choose the different account, then go into its payment and subscriptions. After that, click on payment methods. Now here you can add a payment method by your credit card number into your Google account.